been a few days since the Bathurst Ninja Warrior Park was open on the 14th of October 2024. I'm going to check it out and try out my ninja skills. I made it to the Ninja Warrior Park. Let's check it out. So the Ninja Fitness course is located at O'Keefe Park in Eglinton, near the Eglinton Bridge, which is over there. Just look at it, it just looks fantastic. So we've still got the original fitness equipment here. That's free to use for the public. Got a bike rack there, which is good. So the Ninja Fitness course is only a week old, it's brand new. Just fantastic facility. So thanks to Bathurst Council and the New South Wales State Government for donating a $200,000 grant to get it all done. So we've got a horizontal cargo net, chain traverse senior, peg diagonal traverse, a vertical climbing wall, arched cargo net senior, vertical climbing wall double, combo grips traverse, balance beam, swing traverse, monkey spin traverse, warped wall senior. So it just warns that it's for adults and children of a height greater than 1.4 metres. Got a nice spongy surface here. So the first obstacle, we've got these monkey bar things. Oh, they turn. That's going to be a bit treacherous. Got to swing, get to here. You've got this normal monkey bars, they still move a bit. That'll be a little bit easier, but still needs a lot of upper body strength. We've got a balance beam, should be able to do that one now. Let's see how I go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yep, I've done that. Oh, I hate these things. So you've got to hang and try and grab each one. You can probably try the balls or these. I think these ones would be easier. Get to here. So this is the horizontal climbing frame, so I'll probably have to go on all four paws like a cat. If you walk across here, it's going to be a bit dangerous, so I can crawl across here. And then you've got this vertical wall. It's like a horizontal ladder to go across. These ropes to go up and over. So I don't know how much of this I'll be able to actually do, but I'll try my best. Got a vertical wall all the way up, all the way down the other side. These ones will be a bit tricky on the TV show that you've got one on each side, but they're all on the same side, so it'll be really hard to run and hit all of these. I'll see what happens when we get to this crazy looking thing. Sort of a monkey bar variant. So you've got pegs on this side and 3 pegs on the other side. And if you're still alive, presume you just hang on to this and go across like a big monkey bar. And then the final thing, the vertical wall. Oh, that's awesome. That's pretty high. I'm 1.72 m, so it looks like about 2 meters high. That's pretty crazy, but kudos to getting this done. It just looks fantastic. There's a bit for everyone. You don't have to do all the bits. You do the bits that you can. Bits for kids and adults as well. Got some nice sandstone block seating here. But I just think it just looks fantastic. And if you make it up the vertical wall, you get a nice view from the top. There's a red thing there. I wonder if anything happens, can you ring it? And then you've got a ladder to get back down. So I'm going to try out a few bits of this, and then at the end I'll see if I can do the whole course in one go, and what time it takes if I survive the ninja course. Woo! Died. Try it again. Gotta have good technique too. If they didn't turn, it'd be so much easier. I might not be able to do all of them. Well, this one's much easier. Yay! Let's check out my ninja balance. Yay! This one's going to be tricky again because they move. I'm going to try just the triangle ones first. Lucky there's no sharks and crocodiles down the bottom here. So if you fall, you're safe. Maybe you need the balls as well, I don't know. Nearly. With a bit of practice I'll be able to do that. Looks easy, but it's that famous last words. Crawling like a pussycat. Let's see how this one goes. Woo! Let's try the next ropes. Top's going to be the hardest bit. Made it! More ropes, let's go. Woo! These next ones are going to be hard because they're all on the one side. You can't go left, right, left, right, left, right. Got no idea if I'm going to be able to do this. That's 3. Woo! Need a bit of speed for that one. Try these weird monkey bar pegs. I don't know if you're allowed to hold the middle bar as well, but I had to. done. Recommend gloves for that one. There's not much of a run up for the warped wall. Probably only a 2 metre run up. Of course I've got to try it. So don't laugh if I don't make it up the first time. Nearly. It's definitely harder than on TV. When you get to the top, there's nothing to really grip onto. Got to try again. Yay! So the wall, the hardest bit is getting up onto your shoulders and pulling yourself up. The red thing doesn't ding. I thought it would be a bell, but whatever. Just makes a clonking sound. So I think this is a great thing for the community. Gets people young and old outdoors, gets them active, gets them doing some exercise in a fun way. So I think it's a great win-win for all of the Bathurst community. Anyone visiting in Eglinton near Bathurst, check this park out, it's just fantastic. So I'm going to do some practice and then see if I can do the whole thing in one go. Maybe not, but I'll see. Right, I've had my practice. I'm going to do it. I'm going to see how fast I can do the course. If I muck up, I'm just going to go back to that obstacle and redo it again. So I'm not going to go back to the start again. So that was a little bit under 6 minutes. 5 minutes, 54 seconds, 61 hundredths of a second, if you can see it. So I didn't complete 2 of the obstacles, and this rope, I had my feet on the bottom too. My arms are getting tired, so I really need to do more upper body strength. So on the practice I could do this one, but I just had trouble gripping onto these balls. I kept slipping. This vertical ramp pad thing's quite easy for me to do now. You just need a bit of speed. Woo! Had trouble on these guys. I think I was just losing a bit of upper body strength. It is tiring. When you see it on TV, you know, just keep going, but it is tiring. Your arms are buggered halfway through the course. I had to have my feet on the bottom here, and I made it up the warp wall. So yes, it's definitely a fantastic facility. I'm glad I checked it out. It's only a week old, brand new, a great thing for Bathurst. So I hope you had as much fun as me going around this, and I'll definitely be coming back and practicing some more. So thanks for watching. See you next time.